In Final Cut Pro, you can either export from your timeline or from your browser. Okay, to export your entire video from the timeline, you just need to make sure that your timeline is active. And to do that, you just need to click anywhere on your timeline. I mean, literally anywhere. And then you can either go here on the top right side of your screen right here, or go to File and Share, and then Export File. And if you're like me, you like shortcuts, press Command E and you will see this window here. Then go to Settings, where you can choose the format. You can export just the audio or just the video. But most of the time, and it's just me, I try to export both the video and the audio. You can also choose the codec or the compression of your video export. For the codec, the universal and most commonly used codec is of course h.264. And once you press Next, you will choose the destination of your export and press Save. Now, I want to go back here really quick because I know some people would like to export into the old .mp4 format, and to do that, you just need to choose Computer right here. It will be a more compressed version compared to the .mov. You can see here it's a smaller resolution, but people usually do this for mobile device upload, like Reels on Instagram or TikTok video. So that's that. Now, I said you can also do the same thing from your browser, and to export your entire project from your browser, you just need to select the project and then do one of the methods that we just talked about. I'm going to use the shortcut Command E this time, and this window will appear, and from here, you know the rest. But while we're here on the browser, you can also export these clips right here. You just select the clip and you export. But honestly, I don't know if I will ever export the clip that I just imported. I don't know if that makes sense. But if you want to export a portion of that clip, the clip that you imported, then you would have to select the range you want to export by pressing R, then click and drag, or just by pressing I for in, where you want to start the portion of your clip, and O for out, where you want the portion to end, and then you export. But what about a portion of your project on the timeline? You can definitely do the same thing. Just select the range you want to export by using the range tool. But let's say you want to temporarily use the range tool. And to do that, you can just press and hold R and do your thing. Select your range and then release it when you're done. Let's press Share and Export. And look, you see this? The duration is only about 18 seconds and the size is only about 120 megabytes. That's the fastest way to export just a portion of your timeline. There's another way, but not for this video. And that's it. If you guys got any value from this video, you will like this other video about the best export settings for YouTube. Or you can also check out these tips for Final Cut Pro users. Subscribe today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully. Peace.